Water is a precious resource that sustains life, but ensuring its purity is a daunting task. Purity of water is one of the most things that all humans should consider before consume it. To get into the explanation into this, our team has made a simple device that will show the condition of the water. Electronics methods offer us various ways, simple ways, and give us the fast result and also easy to use. But it still requires sample from the other types of water. The device is very simple, as you can see over here. The name is water beam, and the components that we use in this device is very little, only 2, but the most important part is that you can use it in your daily life and you can make it by yourself.
Our project name is water beam. Initially, we need to put the 3 different samples of the water, which is clean, cloudy, and dirty. Now, we are going to check the purity and the turbidity of the water by putting the selected water into the container device. Then, switch on the device and let the device work itself. The result is displayed on the LCD at the top. Check it out.
How come if the water is quietly dirty? Do you have any idea to clarify it? In our project, we use potassium alum, which is a chemical substance to clarify the dirty water. It takes an hour. See, the dirty water is changed to be clean. And I can also dispense the clean water and leave the dirty precipitate in a container. That's how the water beam works.
So for this program, it's programmed by Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller. It uses various components such as ultrasonic sensor, a turbidity sensor, an LED sensor, and an LCD sensor. With overview of each component of input and its functionality. So for ultrasonic sensor, it uses sound waves to calculate the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the water level, which is the bottom layer of the container. So for the turbidity sensor, the turbidity sensor measures the level of impurities or suspended particles inside the water. It provides a reading that represents that turbidity value. Furthermore, a push button is used to trigger the check of water quality. So the button, each time it press, and it will restart the program again. And it will also update the display accordingly. In summary, for the input, this program continuously monitor the water quality and its turbidity. And also, we use a push button to restart the program, so it will check again the water quality.
Our device will provide the real-time information about the status and the quality of the water. The LCD screen is going to display the turbidity level of the water and also the status of the water, whether it is pure or impure. The green LED lights is going to be turned on when the turbidity level of the water is less than 16, which indicates that the water is clean. The yellow LED lights is going to turn on when the turbidity level is between 16 and 29, which means that the water is slightly turbid. And the red LED light is going to be turned on when the turbidity level is above 30, which means that the water is extremely turbid. When the water status is impure, we can add the potassium alum manually according to the status of the water. When the potassium alum is added, the purification process is started. The potassium alum acts as a coagulant that will bind the impurities together. After the purification process is ended, we can extract the clean water by using the small tap at the side of the device.
In conclusion, this study has made a various impact to us about studying about the water. In one verse of the Quran said that, and we created all living things from water, and why they not then believe it? This dalil has proved us that all living things is come from water, and the water has a role as importance in our daily life, which is we must to take care of it and ensure that the water is safely to use and use it in a good ways. As a human being, it is our responsibilities to make sure that our world is becoming better and better for the incoming days. Stay connected with us for more updates on our journey about the assessing the water quality assessment. Follow us in our social media and join the conversation. Thank you for your support, and remember, every drop counts.